Okay, y'all, this is my new toy right here. It's the Stihl MS192TC. It's technically an arborist chainsaw, but it is a badass chainsaw in its own right. So, as you can see, the choke is right here. You have your little nipple for the choke. You got your air filter on the back. You got a clip right below so you can hang it if you're climbing trees. Jackson's, quick shout out. They're really good. The thing I like about this the most is all your controls are up here. So you engage, you pull the trigger. This is your quick shut off. This is run. This is start. Now, however, when you start and you get it running, you can also pull on the start and lock it into a high rev, which seems very dangerous. Kind of makes it into an automatic weapon, but that's something that they put on anyways. Put your bar chain oil and your gas in right there. It's got a normal engage and lock situation, and it's pretty great. Let me fire it up real quick. Your pull cable is right here. So to fire, you just engage everything. And it's very quick starting, as you can see. Very lightweight, about 5 pounds. So if you're up in trees, it won't tire you out. This saw is very powerful and has a huge kickback. It's not like a full-size chainsaw where it's going to lay into it. This thing will kick back, so do not do cuts above the level of your neck if you want to live.